Hey Siri, yo mama's so fat, astronomers thought she was a continent. Hello?
I'm still thinking of an insult dumb enough for you to understand. You're so ugly. When Mr. Beast cured 1,000 people's blindness, you reset it by looking at them.
You're so fat that when you order a fur coat, an entire species goes extinct.
You're so fat, you don't need to go to the gym. Your legs are strong just by holding you.
You're so dumb. You put a watch in a piggy bank and said you were saving time.
You're so ugly that you are like the sun. When I see you, my eyes boil and I go blind. Your forehead and hairline must be friends because they go way back.
Hey yo, that was too far. Like the video if I won.
No,